Hey everyone, welcome to Inkjecta. My name is RJ and today we're going to be looking at how to change and adjust the give bars on your Inkjecta machines. Changing your give bar is straightforward. You just need to loosen the grub screw on the stainless part of your cam, remove the bar, place the new bar's metal tip into the cam and tighten the grub screw back up. Our grey torsion bars allow for adjustment through a range of give by rotating the bar itself. To do this, just loosen the grub screw and rotate the bar to your chosen give setting. When the bar cutouts are facing away from the machine, the give setting is at its hardest. When the bar cutouts are facing across the machine, the give setting is at its softest setting. So you have a full range of 90 degrees of adjustment from the hardest to softest setting on each grey torsion bar. We would recommend starting at roughly 45 degrees and working your way up or down to the softness and hardness that you prefer. And that's it. Changing your give bar and changing the give settings on our grey torsion bars is super quick and easy. For more information on our available give options and other products, head over to Inkjecta.com. Until next time, have a good one.